Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to enable power saving in Waze in 2026. If you're going on a long drive and want to save your phone's battery, here's what you need to do. First, open the Waze app on your phone and start your navigation. Tap the menu icon, then open settings and check the available navigation and display options. If your version of Waze has a power saving or battery saving option, turn it on. If you don't see this option, open your phone settings and go to battery. Then enable battery saver or power saving mode. You can also lower your screen brightness and close apps you don't need running in the background. For longer trips, connect your phone to your car charger to keep the battery from running low. Once power saving is enabled, return to Waze and continue navigating normally. And that's how to enable power saving in Waze. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more Waze tutorials.